Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Peter. This is where I teach Luganda. This is the platform where you're going to be learning Luganda every day, always, anytime you feel like you want. Today we are going to learn how to count from 10 to 20. From 10 to 20. But before I continue, if you're new here, please subscribe on this YouTube channel so that you get notification whenever I upload a new video. Okay? My name is Peter. Please subscribe to this channel. So today, let's learn how to count from 10 to 20, because previously we had how to count from 1 to 10. So now let's start from 10 to 20. So we say 10. 10 in Luganda we call it kumi. Kumi. That is 10. We have 11. 11 is called kumi nemu. So here is the trick. If you are counting in tens, you mention that 10 and you mention the following number. For example, kumi plus 1, that is 11. Kumi, 10 plus 1. Kumi ne emu. Kumi ne emu. That is 11. Kumi ne biri. Kumi ne biri. That is 12. But when you are pronouncing it, you say kumi na biri. Kumi na biri. But it is 2. It is 10 and 2. Remember in the video I made first, I told you how to count from 0 to 10. So now we are adding these 2 from that 1 plus 10. 10 plus 3. 10 plus 4. So that is the easy way to understand this. How to count from 10 to 20. So 12, it is kumi na biri. Remember we are counting in tens, so you have to consider that kumi, that 10. Kumi na biri. 13, it is 10 plus 3. Kumi na satu. Kumi na satu. 14, it is kumi na nya. Kumi na nya. 15, it is kumi na tano. 10 plus 5, kumi na tano. 10 and 5, kumi na tano. 16, it is kumi na mukaga. 17, kumi na musanvu. 18, kumi na munana. 19, kumi na mwenda. 20, it is abiri. Now, we are going from tens to 20s. Okay? You get my logic? From 10 to 20. So now you do the same. Abiri. Remember the other one is 10. 10 and 1. 10 and 2. Now it is 20. Abiri and 1. Abiri mu emu. Remember the other one we've been using kumi na, kumi na, kumi na, nabiri, nemu, nasatu, natanu. Now we say mu, abiri mu, emu, abiri mu, biri. That is 22. 23, abiri mu, satu. 24, abiri mu, nya. Then we have 30. You count up to reach to 9, and then you change. You go to 30. 30 is call it asatu. Asatu. Okay? Even asatu we add on asatu mu emu. 31. Asatu mu biri. 32. You keep on adding 30 mu 1. 30 mu 2. Asatu mu emu. Asatu mu biri. Even 40 ana. You do the same. Even 50 atanu mu. You do the same. Even 60 you say nkaga. Nkaga mu emu. 61. Even 70 you say mu. Nsanvu. Nsanvu mu. Even 80 chinana. Chinana mu. Even 90 chenda. Chenda mu. 100 chikumi. Chikumi mu. Okay, so for today, let's end from here. I've now told you how to count from 10 up to 100. 10 up to 100. Hope this is going to help you how to count in Luganda, how to say things in Luganda, these numbers in Luganda. My name is Peter. Thank you for watching this video, and thanks for subscribing. If you're new here, please subscribe so that we can get more numbers and be educated how to learn Luganda and how